Sure. You know, interruption really, in a way, says what you have to say is so predictable or so boring that I'm going to save a few seconds of my time and tell you what's really important. So think of how rude that is. You know, if you
Right,
said that out loud to somebody, they would go, I'm out of here. But that's what an interruption is. So,
right,
first of all, just knowing that it's not a good thing to do, and instead use Oprah's technique or the Dalai Lama's technique, which is really lean in and go, mm-hmm, mm-hmm, you know. And if I am interrupting in my mind, I will sometimes say, just relax, just listen, just relax, just listen. Even if a person's being boring, it'll be over in 10 seconds. So, uh, and then you'll be able to, if they feel like you've really heard them, then they will really be able to hear you, because
right.
communication is a two-way street.
You know, something I think I try to do is, even if somebody's really long-winded, what I turn it into is a little brain game. Like, can I memorize every point they've made so that and then I can go back through and really say, when you said blank, when you said blank, when you said blank, and they can't even believe I remembered it all. But at
Right,
least
right.
I showed them I was like there and listening and paying attention. So even the longer they go, I just feel like it's a longer memory game. Sometimes.
That's
But
great.
yeah, so that's my little trick for me. But this
Yeah.
one I thought was rapport is so important. What do you have to say about this issue?
Well, you know, people like people who are like them. And if you want to get trust going, the question is, what is the science of getting people to like you and trust you very quickly? And there are certain things that you can do for that. One of them is just to sit and talk like them. You know, people like people who are like them. So if I'm talking really quick and the person I'm talking to is like talking very slowly, there's a lack of rapport. Or if I'm leaning in and the other person's sitting back, there's a lack of rapport. So I try to sit and talk kind of like the person I'm talking to. And I've found that there's certain questions you can ask people that always leads to a deep conversation.